Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a card in Trello. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com. And if it's your first time, you'll be taken in this homepage. Here, you can go and click on login at the top right corner to log in into an account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, click on get Trello for free to create an account. If you have by any chance a Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack account, you'll be able to use one of those so you don't get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself here. So as we said, we want to create a card. You can go and access whatever board you have. As you can see for me, I already gets to the maximum free plan, which is send board. And let's say I'm just going to access this board specifically. Of course, for you, you can go and create a new board by clicking here on create and click on create board. And of course, all you need to do, just choose the background. You don't have to. And choose like a title, then click on create. You'll find here create instead of upgrade. For me, I cannot create because I created like 10 already. So I just go on and access this. And here I'm just going to create a new list, name it tests, and I'll be able to create a card on it. Name it whatever you want. Once you created that card, you'll be able to do multiple stuff on it. Add a description, assign members, add some labels, add some checklists, add some dates, add some attachments, cover. All you need to do, you can move it, copy it, mirror it, make it a template. All you need to do. Yeah, that's how you basically create a card. So this is going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.